They don't have burgers.
No, they don't. But what they do have is burritos. And you know what a burrito looks an awfully lot like? A suppressor.
No.
Looks a lot like a suppressor.
Looks nothing like a suppressor.
Do you think that a burrito can suppress a weapon in a pinch? You know, like you got to murder someone. You don't have any pillows around you or anything. All you got's a burrito. You just put it on the end of your gun here.
You're at the riots.
And shoot and hope it doesn't hit your hand because you can't permanently attach it because that's illegal. If
That's why you
if
can't
I threaded this burrito and screwed it onto my gun, we're arresting you because now we have to make a new law.
Oh, that was way
quieter.
Yeah.
It was louder on the phone.
I don't believe the phone for a minute.